Hi, it's Hakeem here, co-founder of Hand Associates, and we've just developed a great simple new tool for account planning. So what I want to do today is give you a quick demo of our G2P account planner. It's a real simple online tool. There's the login page. As you would normally do, you put in your username and your password in the appropriate places. These will obviously be sent to you once you've registered for the site. Once you've done that, obviously click log on. It takes you into the home page. And if you look at the top, there's a home button, there's an account button, and there's a help button, which is where the user guide is kept. Now, if you click the account button, then what you'll see is you go to the accounts page, go down to the bottom, click create account, create account sheet comes up. You fill in all the relevant details into that account sheet, and then click create. Simple as that. You've created an account, you're ready to go. You then, obviously, if you click on that account you've just seen, you have a delete button, you have an edit button, and then you also have a view button. The view button shows to the right hand side. If you want to see a bit more information about that, just click on that view account profile, and that opens up a lot more of the information that you've just put in. And creating customers is exactly the same, as in that you click and create. And viewing objectives and building objectives is exactly the same. So this is a create objective form. We've created 3 objectives, as you can see there, and as always, click on them to see more information. And if you want to add a decision to the objective, then you use those buttons that we've just seen there. You want to see more information about the decision, then you click on there. And if you want to see the actions, I mean, as you can see as we're talking through, every time you hover on a particular area, then it'll actually show you what that button is for. If you view a decision-making unit, or you want to create a decision-making unit, then you have to firstly make a influencer table. All very, very simple, as you can see as we're running through it on the screen. And you just add the information as you can see. This is exactly how that decision-making table then adds up. The last thing you want to do is then add in the influencer lines, and as simple as that, you just drag and draw them across, and you have all of your influencer lines, and you just draw the lines. The direction of arrows indicates the direction of influence, and you just connect your decision-making unit for each one of those decision makers, and you can see that you've got the key with the type of decision maker along the bottom and the level of influence down the side. And it's very, very simple. And as simple as that, once you click save, you have created your first influencer matrix for that specific decision relating to the overall objective for that account. You can then obviously click on the particular individual to see more information about that individual, so you can make sure that you're doing what you should be doing with that particular individual. And then if you click on the account customers, you can then see there's another menu up there, and you can list the actions for that customer, and those actions are the ones that are taken from the action plan that you've put in there. So every action that you've put in your action plan against this particular customer will then be listed against that specific customer, and that'll be the same for all of the customers. And that really is pretty much a very quick whistle-stop tour. You go back to the account profile, and you're back pretty much where you started. You go back to the account page, and that then shows you all your accounts. So that's all there is to it. If you have any further inquiries, then contact IT@handassociates.com. However, if you want to buy now, then go to www.goingtoplan.com/account planner and start using today.